Hello retail traders, this is Washboard Jim with the Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where we study chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And being in the now, we're going to talk about Tupperware. Tupperware had a little bounce the other day, and then it's had another one right now for a good reason. And we're going to pull up the news. It had something to do with the debt. Tupperware shares soar after agreement with lenders to restructure debt. So on Thursday, they finalized an agreement with the lenders to restructure its debt obligations with an effort to turn around its business, sending the shares soaring 57% after the bell. So the agreement here reduced and reallocate $150 million of cash, interest, and fees. That would give the immediate access to revolving borrowing capacity up to $21 million. So, this is a bottom trade. Bottom trade definitely. And we just now are trying to break resistance. And that resistance is right around this top that we had a couple of days ago. And we're going to go ahead and draw a price line runner. Well, let's just go ahead and clean this all up. I'm in the stock myself. We had a double bottom right here, and I called this out earlier. And then here after hours, we popped all the way up to resistance. So let's clean this chart up, start fresh. We'll go to the yearly, 3-year first. We got a long ways to go on the 3-year. But right now, we've hit this certain moving average right here, and that's the 65 EMA. On the weekly. So we definitely got to consolidate. That's definitely what we got to do. So I'm going to say support. Still stick that support no lower than that 217. And we'll go ahead and draw a price line on it right there. And I'll get rid of this alert because I've already played it out. And we'll now find resistance, which would be the bottom of that channel right there at 578. So go to the yearly. Then we got a pivot point on the yearly right here at 371. Definitely 371 to this right in here to 317. So that's going to be your pivot point to hold to keep this thing bullish. And the resistance to break will be that 578. And if we can break the 578, the next resistance will be the gap right here, which will be right at 642. And then up here long, right around 728. Now this could pick up steam. There looks like some big buys are coming in here, and also some people could be taking profit. So we got to just keep a good eye on it. Right now, today we pulled back to the 200 SMA on the daily, which is a buy signal. And on the 3-year, we got to break the 65 EMA. And that's the daily moving average. So let's bring this down to the 20-day. Solid support still going to be off the 200 right here on the 1-hour time frame. So, it's good to set an alert right around the 247 area. This thing going to move around, probably jump up pretty good tomorrow. And that's double bottom down here at $3 would be a good solid support to hold. So let's go ahead and put in the support idea right there. Got a little alert set. Then we'll set the other alert down here off the 200 SMA. We'll set it right on the bottom of that candle right there. Got to look for a confirmation. And that's the confirmation right there, that body of that candle right here. And then this lower support would be a triple bottom if it came back down, or a quad. And resistance to break, if we do break 578 and we start building upon it, that's going to become solid support at 578. So that's Tupperware. It's got that restructuring news, and that should be good with the debt. This is a Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy. Let's go over this one more time. Let's go back to that yearly, 3-year. We can't see that there. So we got to try to build inside of this channel here. We're jumping up, and I think we're going to build us a little Darvis box going sideways here. But for right now, resistance to break is going to be the 578, and support to hold will be the 9 on the daily. For right now, it's between 317 and 371. That'll be the 9. If that 9 does not hold in that 200, then it's definitely going to drop down farther. But resistance to break again, 578. Support to hold, 317, 371. And that's it. Have a great day, retail traders.